What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Inzane, or Eddie in other words. And right now I'm actually at the chiropractor. I'm actually about to get aligned right now, get adjusted real quick. But after that, bro, I have some really good news to tell you guys. I just wanted to start the vlog, but I will tell you guys when I come back. But it is really actually exciting news for me and for the car. It's for the car. I'm pretty sure by the title of the video you guys already know I'm gonna pick up my dream wheels tomorrow, bro. I am so damn excited. If you guys have been watching the channel for a minute, you guys probably do know which are my dream wheels already. If you guys don't, then you guys will see tomorrow. But bro, I'm so excited because I've been wanting these wheels for so long, ever since I had the Camry. These were supposed to go for the Camry, but never got to it. So I had to get them for the Supra. And I've seen one guy with them. A lot of Supras have these wheels, a lot of them. But there's only like a couple of them that I've seen in the color that I got. Bro, I am so excited, bro, because I know the Supra's about to look so damn insane. Like the wheels are about to compliment the car so damn much. Oh, bro, the car's about to get some new shoes, and bro, I just can't wait for you guys to see it. It is so, bro. If you guys know, you know, but you guys will see tomorrow. Will probably be a couple clip for you guys, but it's gonna be a couple hours for me. But you guys will see tomorrow when I show you guys the damn wheels, bro. Cause oh my god. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know. If you guys know, leave in the comment section below what wheels did I get. If you guys think you know, leave it right now. But I'm about to go in here, go into my chiropractor appointment, see what's popping, and yeah, let's see what's up. So guys, it is the next day and it is time to go pick up the wheels. I was able to get off early today, off work, so shout out to my manager for letting me get off early to go pick up these damn wheels, bro. It's like an hour and like 20 minutes away from me. It is like it is in like Santa Fe Springs, so I gotta go out there, pick up these wheels, see if they in good condition, see if everything popping, everything good, and yeah, I should bring them back. We're gonna go to the shop after, and hopefully they install the exhaust today. They said they were gonna do that today, so let's hope by the time I get back, go to the shop, they have everything ready for us to get it installed. Let's cross our fingers, bro, but should be an exciting vlog, bro. Gonna get new wheels, and hopefully the titanium exhaust is getting installed today. So let's hope it all goes through. For real, bro. You guys understand me, bro. I be telling you guys something, and then throughout the vlog it's like it ends up changing because they end up telling me no or something, whatever, bro. They end up changing their minds and shit. I hate when they do that. So hopefully it goes through. Hopefully we install it today. Dude, I was also just remembering, dude, I have to get new tires. I have to get tires for these wheels, bro, because the tires that are on the Supra are bald and they're not gonna fit the new wheels. So I have to get new tires, and I'm thinking of getting R888s, just so they be sticky, get nice and sticky tires. You feel me? So I'm thinking of getting R888s. I just gotta look, see where I can get some, cause they're pretty pricey right now. You feel me? Yeah, I gotta look for some tires. Yeah, damn, bro, there was so much traffic. I was getting so tired just driving, dude. But we are like 7 minutes away now. Finally, bro, oh my god, I'm tired. I was supposed to get here like 10 minutes ago, and it is about to be 1:45. Finally about to go see the wheels. You guys are about to see them too, bro. I'm so excited, bro. I've been wanting these wheels for so long. And a lot of you guys may be like, the basic, but hell no, not the me. The expensive ass wheels, bro. But hella excited because I know they're about to look so damn good on the Supra. But like I was saying, bro, I need tires ASAP, Rocky, because the ones on the Supra are bald, bro, completely gone. Yeah, I want to throw them on the car at least, hopefully next week, because I'm hoping to get the damn car next week, bro. I just keep hoping and hoping and hoping, but I really want it by next week because it's been too long, bro. It's been too damn long. Alright, so I think I gotta go to the back, but I'm like so confused where this thing is at. Like this plaza is so confusing. So I thought I was in the back. Shut up. Looks like it'd be this one right here. Yep. I'm here. I'm at the right one, yo. Damn, bro, I see the boxes. I'm excited. Damn, I'm excited as fuck, bro. I see the boxes. I see the boxes right now. Ooh. All right, bro. So we got the wheels. So you guys want to see them right now, but I'll show you one right now. Before he boxes up the last box, I will show you guys the wheels. But hella excited, bro. About to show you the wheels real quick, just before he boxes it up. But y'all know. But if you guys don't know, you guys will now. Y'all ready for you guys? All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. We got the Work Meisters 3P, bro. Looks absolutely beautiful in the white finish. Absolutely insane. A huge shout out to Blacklist Motorsports for helping me get these wheels in like 2 months, honestly. So like hella fast, came within 2 months real quick. So huge shout out to Black Motorsports, bro, because they came through. Finally got my dream wheels, bro, and I'm hella excited to throw them on the Supra. I'm telling you guys, bro, the Supra's about to come back so crazy. I'm hella excited for you guys to see it, bro. I'm telling you, now it's about to be completely finished when you guys fully see it. Huge shout out to you guys, bro, for real. Bro. Yes, sir, we're about to get these on the Supra ASAP. Bro. I know you guys seen the wheels. I know you saw the wheels. I had to teach y'all real quick with the one wheel, but we got them here, bro. Oh my God, bro. I can't believe I actually got the damn wheels. And like I said, huge shout out. Huge shout out to Blacklist Motorsports, bro, for coming through with the wheels. I'm telling you, I ordered these back in, I want to say, December, like the last week of December, and it is the last day of February. So literally like literally exactly 2 months, bro. And if you guys know, Work Meisters takes so long to get here because, you know, they come straight from Japan. And let me interrupt you guys. We have the damn wheels, bro. Like I said, huge shout out to them again for coming through for your boy. And they said if you guys need any Supra parts, any JDM parts actually, hit them up, bro. I will leave their link to the Instagram in the description below. Everything, all that good. You should go check them out. They got everything. If you're located in SoCal, like their manufacturer spot here, or I mean the distributing shop is like right here, so it's local. They say they are gonna have hella sales within this month, next month coming up, I think. So yo, bro, make sure y'all following them, stay up to date. If y'all need any Supra parts, JDM parts, they got it all, bro. And they got shit in stock. They literally told me. But damn, bro, I'm so excited. We got the wheels finally. Smash the like button right now for your boy, bro. We got the Work Meisters 3P with the chrome lip with a white face. Oh, bro. Oh, I'm so excited. A lot of people are probably not gonna like the white face. I was gonna go with triple chrome, but I wanted white face so bad. I've been wanting those wheels for a minute, so you know I had to, bro. You know I had to pull the damn trigger, but I gotta get the GPS to go home, man. Hold on. Gotta get the GPS to go home. It's an hour to get home right now. Oh, and I know there's probably gonna be traffic. I'm scared. But we are gonna go to the shop straight from here. We're going to the car shop to see if they installed the Supra or anything. I mean the titanium exhaust, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Ah! You guys are about to fall on my wheels. Oh shit, I'm zooming into my face. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. The rays coming out the damn clouds like that. That is crazy. I hope y'all can see that, bro. I don't know if y'all can. Bro, that's my dad's truck, and they got hit last week, and they're almost done with that shit, bro. I'm so impressed, bro. They're almost done with my dad's truck, bro. It's already ready for paint, and they ain't even done with my shit, bro. That shit hurts, bro. But bro, they broke into my boy's truck a couple of days ago. He said they broke his window and they stole a couple of his stuff. Crazy. But I mean, good thing he works at a body shop and he could get that fixed, you know. But and the Supra will be back tomorrow because right now there's still a damn car stuck on there that they're trying to fix the transmission on, and he said come back tomorrow. So he said tomorrow we should really be getting the car up on the lift. He said it'll be on the lift by the time I get here, so he can like do everything. So I was like, alright, bet. I ain't even gonna say nothing no more, guys. I ain't even gonna say nothing no more. You guys probably already know what I want to say, but you guys, I ain't even gonna say nothing no more. Said I gotta bring in the tire. I mean the tires, the wheels. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna bring in the wheels now. Can't believe I'm bringing in my own set of work wheels, bro. Still can't believe it. Dude, I gotta get them ceramic coated. I just remembered that. I gotta get them ceramic coated. ASAP Rocky. Floor Work Meisters. Holy shit, bro. I still can't believe these are mine. And they're for the Supra. Still can't believe it. Damn, bro. They went hella hard last weekend. We got the wheels here, bro. So damn excited. I'll probably open one to give a little later so I can show my dad and my little brother so they can see it. Hella excited. What do you guys think about the wheels? Let me know in the comment section below. Would you have gone with these or would you have gone with like TEs or Advance? Let me know. But I think I did a solid choice. You feel me? I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty solid. Let's do this. You too. Get over there so I can see your reaction. I guess.
Bro, let's see what's up with these.
Damn.
Nah, they better in person for real. They really are.
Oh man. These motherfuckers are beasts.
Damn. See, bro, imagine when they're on the car.
God damn.
Nah, those are tough.
You told me not to go with white.
Good lord.
Shit. Boy, then it comes with the center caps and everything, yeah. We're gonna have to transfer them from my wheels. But
Oh yeah,
the valve stems and all that. But goddamn, but
piece.
yep. Damn. Now he's gotta get tires.
Oh, well, he's in the gym right now, boy. I'm getting my bike on. I usually like coming in this little spot, bro, because no one is here. No one's usually ever here, so I get to like take off my shirt, be all free, and do what I gotta do. You feel me? So, yeah. I went to the shop today, and yeah. Don't be as surprised, bro. You know, nothing has happened yet. Car is still stuck. There's a car still stuck on there that they're fixing. My car still has yet to get on the lift, so. But at least we got the wheels. At least we got the wheels in today. Well, not today, but you know, at least we got the wheels in this video. I did want to get a video, well, I did want to get in this video, like the install and the sound clips of the exhaust, but we probably gonna have to save that for a separate video, so that will probably be the next one if anything. Yeah, man, I'm just literally waiting, so I'm hopefully I can get a video for you guys soon of the install and of like the sound, how it sounds, because bro, I want to hear how it sounds. You feel me? We are both waiting, we both want to hear it. So, yeah, man, but I'm getting this workout in. If y'all haven't got y'all workout in, this is a sign right now. Go get that workout in, you feel me? I'm trying to stay consistent, bro. So this week I didn't go because I had chiropractor appointments, and then I went to go pick up the wheels and all that good, all that. So yeah, today it was a must. I had to come.
Oh, bro. Bro, I was just literally telling you guys that we might have to do another separate video, but you guys just got lucky. I mean, we got lucky. He literally just called me, the body shop Luis, and was like, can you come right now? We're gonna install it. I was like, on my way, bro. So you guys I was about to make a whole separate video, but we was about to just throw it in this one. Dream wheels and the install, say damn less, bro. So we was on the way. He literally called me mid-workout. He's like, can you come right now? I was like, oh shit. I was like, yeah, I'm on my way. He's like, all right, cool. So we got the car on the lift. It is up. And it looks hella good. The carbon diffuser looks dummy good, bro. No, I think they're about to install it right now. I don't know if they put the transmission mount or anything like that in there yet. I don't know, but we're about to see in a little bit. So right now he's putting in that new transmission mount because the other one was broken. He just literally took it off, but he's installing it right now as we speak. And that's the new one right there, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys are right there. Boom. That's the new transmission mount. Getting installed right now as well. Yep, like, that Beamer over there, bro, that shit is sick. That one right there, that shit is so nice. And the mount is finally on. Yep, there it is. Got the mount in. The broken one's like right there, but that shit looks hella good now. Now we got a full working mount. Now it's time to put the exhaust. But see. Now we're getting the titanium exhaust. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We finally about to put that bad boy on. We needed the transmission mount to get that installed, and now we can put the exhaust and finally get it on there. Y'all get a 2-for-1 special in the video, bro. Y'all see my dream wheels, and y'all get the install and the sound clips, bro. Aren't y'all looking? I'm spoiling y'all. I should have made a whole separate video. Made y'all wait. Yo, here's the titanium from Arcade. Titanium looks absolutely good, bro. So insane, bro. Y'all see the tip. Looks hella crazy. Obviously, they're gonna have to clean it before they install it. But there's a couple scratches, but yeah, bro, this shit looks hella damn good. Super excited to see what it look like on, and then we'll clean it all up. So we have the exhaust mocked up, but unfortunately we're gonna have to cut it right here from the carbon fiber diffuser because it is in the way. The muffler hits it, so that's why it's not letting it sit. Like it is just hitting it right there, which is unfortunate. So we're gonna have to cut this piece off, this fin, so it can have that flush fitment. But yep. And we're not gonna be able to get it installed today. They were just mocking it up, so they're gonna install it on Monday. But yeah, this shit needs to get chopped off so it fits straight and it's all good. Y'all get the gist, you'll get the picture, you feel me? Y'all will see the single exit and it's gonna come out so nice. But yeah, this is just a mock-up. And sorry to tease you guys. They teased me too, but yeah, we're gonna have to chop this off so it can fit. Probably like this much maybe. I don't wanna chop off a lot, maybe like this much so it can get like that good fit. Just so it sits right enough, but I'm probably thinking like this much. Probably like right here. I don't want to cut a lot of it off. Maybe like this one. Whew, we'll see though. So we is done. That was the update, and they're gonna install it on Monday. So Monday we're getting the install. Today was just a mock-up, so we got teased, y'all. Well, I had to tease y'all, and I got teased too, so we both got teased. So that means you guys are gonna have to wait till the next video. Yeah, bro. So you guys are gonna have to wait till the next video to see the install. So yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to make y'all wait for that one because that was a tease, bro. We both got teased, and we saw the mock-up, and it looks hella good, bro. We obviously just gotta get the hangers and all that and get it all settled. Bro, I'm gonna make sure I bring something to clean the exhaust too, because I'm gonna come in the morning too when they install it, because I'm off that day, so I'm coming. And yeah, man, hella excited, bro. Now that things are moving forward, you feel me? The exhaust, we saw it get mocked up, and hopefully it gets installed. Well, it's gonna get installed on Monday. I'm hoping, bro, since it's moving pretty, the way I'm seeing everything moving, I'm hoping we can get it back on next Friday. But you know, that's just with the hopes and dreams. But let's hope the dream comes true. You feel me? Yeah, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you guys can see, the Supra is almost done, bro. You guys got a little tease of the mock-up of the exhaust. Monday, the next video you guys will see will be the Arcade Titanium getting installed, and we are gonna hear it. We're gonna rev it. I'll make sure we can turn it on because I definitely want to get sound clips of it. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can stay tuned for that next video. And you guys can go back and watch other videos. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.